everyone, welcome you all to the Indus Business School. Today we have with us Mr. Kaustubh Joshi, our talent acquisition leader at Emerson Innovation Center. Thank you so much joining us, sir.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Sir, you had an interaction with our students. So can you please tell me how was it?
Yeah, it was first of all a wonderful experience being on campus physically after this COVID-19 break, and it was very nice to interact with students face to face, feel that positive energy from the campus. Students were good, they were attentive. They are also looking forward for a good session and interacting with industry experts, if I may call like that, with all who are coming onto the campus. So it was a wonderful experience and nice to be back on campus, like I said again.
I can understand. Sir, being a talent acquisition leader, you know the pain of recruiting a good talent. So can you please tell us that what students should learn in these 2 years so that they can absorb and recruit easily in a corporate world?
Well, talent acquisition is a strategic function in any organization. It is not your day-to-day function, but a strategic function wherein talent acquisition people are the people who get good talent into the organization. What we should look for when we look for getting a good talent is people who are matching perfectly to the what we call as job description. We should look at people who are matching to that job description, maybe if not 100%, but at least 60 to 70% should satisfy about job description. And then getting to know about their experience in the industry where they have worked with, their qualifications relating to the profile which we are looking for, other activities or other jobs which they have done which will correlate to the job which we are looking for, to best suitable for the industry or the project or the company which we tend to hire for. And lastly, we should look at the potential of those employees as well. That let's say maybe 2 years down the line or 3 years down the line, if we could see a good potential in them to take it to the next level, that is what is required for a talent acquisition pro to look at when he or she is hiring people from the open market for a particular position or a particular role to work in any organization.
So during the interaction, you were telling students about return of investment. So can you explain us briefly regarding it?
Right. So it is return of investment. So there is a difference in the return on investment and return of investment. So I very well explained them what you should look for when you say return of investment. So it is nothing but how to get maximum from whatever you have invested in. In this case, it is nothing but your MBA. As the students have invested their time, energy, efforts, money, everything in MBA. So what exactly and how they should get maximum from this investment. Return on investment they anyway will get. So return on investment is they will pass out, they will find something or the other and they will go into industry. But when you say return of investment, what maximum or how maximum I should get from the efforts which I have put in this case, like I said, MBA course, that is what it is, and that is what I try to explain students today, how to get maximum return of investment.
So you believe that apart from academics, what all skills are important for them? What all things they should learn in all these periods?
Right. So academics, of course, is the backbone to start your career. But apart from that, you need to first have good participation in extracurricular activities. Like I was explaining, industries would look at students who have played some of the other role in managing or organizing any extracurricular activity or just participating in any extracurricular activity. That gives a different perspective or shows a different side of students when he or she participates in extracurricular activities. Secondly, what extra knowledge they have in terms of maybe knowledge about the subject, knowledge about the industry, how well they are connected, how well they project themselves to not only to the institute where they are working with, but to others outside, that is to the society, to the industry. Do they participate in any events which industries are coming up regularly, so that they make their presence felt. It becomes easy for an industry to identify a good potential candidate by looking at people who are always in the forefront. They know that he or she is doing something extra apart from academics through these activities. So industries would prefer to get somebody like this who is kind of more smarter and trying to put more apart from academics to shine or rise in her or his area of field.
Thank you so much, sir. It was our privilege to have you here.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.